This is a car dashcam by SANSCO. Unlike most of the videos that you usually see on my channel, this video is not going to be related to computer networking. I do really enjoy doing those networking projects and making videos about them, but I also enjoy driving. One of the cool car gadgets that I can buy for my car is actually a dashcam. Dashcams can come really handy maybe if I want to document a road trip, or maybe if I want to use it as an evidence in an accident. But before using any dashcams, make sure... Thanks to SANSCO for sending me one of their dashcams so we can test it and see what is what. First, let's open the box and see what's inside. The dashcam shows really good build quality, which I like it. It has a 3-inch display and there are 2 buttons on each side of the display. The power button and the LED lights are on this side. The HDMI and the USB ports are on the other side. It has a wide-angle lens and the video resolution is 1296p. This is where I can connect the GPS unit. If I connect the GPS unit, then it will also record the route of my journey as well as the speed, which is cool. And this is the DC in port where the charger should be connected. There's also a reset button and a microSD card slot. All the footage obviously is going to be recorded on the microSD card. It has some interesting features. For example, it supports loop recording. So basically with the loop recording, when the microSD card is full, then it will automatically record over the earliest video files. It also has a G sensor, and with the help of it, it can detect impacts with other vehicles. And then it will trigger the emergency recording mode, which protects the recording from being overwritten. It also has a feature called ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance System. Basically, it will warn the driver each time the driver changes the lane. It will also remind you to turn on the headlights if you are driving in low light condition. And also it will warn you if you continuously drive for more than 4 hours. Okay, so I have mounted the dashcam on the windshield and also connected the charger. When I start the engine, the dashcam automatically turns on and it starts recording. Once I stop the engine, it will save the recording and turn off. I think I better first... Yeah, much better. Alright, as you can see, when the GPS unit is installed, it can detect and also show the speed on the screen here. The lens is wide and it pretty much shows everything in front of my car. Also, the video quality is good and the maximum resolution is 1296p. With a 32GB microSD card, it can record for about 3 hours before it actually needs to overwrite the older files. So you might have noticed a beep sound every time I changed my lane. This is actually the lane departure warning system. And it is surprisingly very accurate. As soon as I drift over the lane marking, it detects and shows a warning image on the screen and makes a beep sound. Honestly, I was not expecting it to be this much accurate. I really like it and I think it's a very useful feature. Okay, so now let's check it out when it's dark outside. Okay, so I'm speaking as I'm driving so we can test the audio recording quality as well. If I want, I can disable the microphone, then it will only record the video with no audio. As you can see, the lane departure warning system works fine even at night. If I want, I can also disable the ADAS systems, but I personally really like it and I find it really useful. Okay, so overall I gotta say I like this SANSCO M20 dashcam. It was easy to set up, video quality was good, it has a loop recording, G sensor and lane departure warning. So I put the link in the video description in case you wanna check it out yourself. Thank you very much for watching, hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because more videos are coming soon. Thank you again and I see you next time.